Why are we existing in the places that we are? That is all for a reason. You are living in the place that you're living for a reason. You have traveled to the place that you have traveled to for a reason. Not only that, you are drawn to, as in you resonate with the things and the people, the energies that you do for a reason. It represents a piece of yourself in that person or in that area. For instance, I feel really drawn to this tree in my backyard, and me and this tree have a really close connection. And through connected with this tree, I remembered so much about myself, because my future self left pieces and parts of myself, left pieces and parts of my memory within that tree, so that my present self here in this timeline, when I am fully awakened or aligned, when the time is right and I aligned with this tree and I connect with this tree, I will receive those memories, because I came from the future. There was groups of us. I remember groups of us coming back to the past from the future. And so technically the future is our past, because we experienced it already.